In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to-do list to calendar in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate to the page where the calendar is located. Let's say for this video, we're going to use to-do in here. And as you can see in this to-do database, we have in here a calendar. Now to link your to-do list in here, what we're going to do is we're going to simply select a specific date, start adding a new page that is linked to that specific date, and then input the to-do list to that specific page that we created. Now, let's say for this video, we're going to create a to-do list for October 24, which is for tomorrow. We simply click add an item in here. This will then automatically open a new page, let's say to do for this day. Then we input in here the list of the things that we would like to do. Let's say go to the grocery, do the laundry, do the dishes, go for shopping, and other daily agendas that we're going to do in here. After that, we simply exit. And as you can see, we have now successfully linked a to-do list to our calendar. And that's about it. That's how to link to-do list to calendar in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.